How to set up Google Pay with your voice card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to use your voice card with Google Pay, here is a quick guide to get you paying contactless in no time. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the card tab at the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the card section, you can just tap on your active voice card to open the card details. And now from here, you can simply scroll down and tap add to Google Pay and follow the prompts to verify and add your voice card to Google Pay. And if you don't see the option, make sure that your card is activated and your device supports NFC payment and Google Pay is set up correctly. And that's it. Tap and pay anywhere Google Pay is accepted using your voice card. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.